Hi guys, it's Isabella, and this is the second video in a row, but I just wanted to start off. So I have a bunch of slime right here. There's a bunch, and I'm going to go through all of them for you guys. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the first slime. I actually took this a few days ago, so hope you enjoy. So this is my next slime, and this is technically my favorite slime, so enjoy. Here is my other slime. It is named The Very Best because it is a very good slime, and also it is blue for the Pokemon thing. This slime was quite sticky because when I tried to put it back in the bag, it took like 5 minutes. But yeah, hope you enjoy. And of course, after playing with many slimes, you will definitely need a quick break or drink of water or any other type of drinks. Now this is the last slime. It is a pretty good slime as well as the rest. So hope you enjoy.